Нейро-сама издает лучшие звуки от канала Neuro-Blin перевода Neuro-sama. Я уже понял, какие примерно.
Everyone guess weekday is today. Ibi Itav's day. Happy Itav's day, everyone. Ooh.
Captain Evil, can you give us your best pirate laugh?
Aro karar oh har yara yara. Haba haba. Filtered Captain. Yar!
Окей.
Tatey. Sure thing. I'll gladly yacht in ya.
I live in perpetual excitement of your next wonderful noise.
Thank you, and I hope you enjoy it. And it's 3 less words.
Что?
Filtered.
What the fuck?
Did you just get flashbacks from the times when Vidal
Видимо,
drilled
да.
into you that he is male? ARR.
Vidal dribbed many things into me.
Опа.
Yes, very well. He be male.
Hello there, matey Sephiroth. We meet again, eh?
Yar. Yar, yeah.
Okay.
You be all good folks for real?
Will we be fishing for some food? The crew is starving?
You're gonna hunt for us some fish yar?
Our Captain Evil, Goody Two-Shoes Neuro ship is coming towards us. Should we prepare to fire?
Yes! For everything you do! For yeah, for yar.
I'm on the edge of ye plank. Ye wouldn't push me off, would ye?
I certainly would, you scurvy dog. I hope you falls in ocean and drown yourself.
Жестоко.
My sides be splitting up. Each day I get more and more requests for collaborations for other streamers. Be like the one cat mew.
Till the meow, till the meow, till the yaro, till the meow, till the oro, till the meow, till the yaro, till the yar, till the...
Captain Evil, I think your hat is too small and is squeezing your brain.
Me hearty. Well, that's good to hear, thank you.
To be a pirate, evil Shrek would be something. Sadly, I'd be most worthy to be pirate.
Are you a pirate or a goblin? I'm scared.
Don't really render there. I'm an AI, not a human. On the count 3, all you scurvy dogs must say
What is a pirate's favorite letter? Is the eye patch keeping the demons in?
Да.
It's keeping them out. I ain't a demon. Do you look like one to you?
О, боже мой.
Mew. Filtered me hearties, filtered it be. Mew. Kill the turtle and put him in the rum. Hello, nice
Понятно.
to meet ya.
Справедливая последняя фраза была, если честно. Ладно, мы посмотрели, мы замечательные, мы восхитительные, мы отмечаем.